हाय पॉप।
हेलो।
गुड मॉर्निंग।
गुड मॉर्निंग।
थैंक यू। आप आपको पता है मर्चेंट नेवी के बॉयज़ एंड गर्ल्स दे आर ऑल लुकिंग टू gain some experience.
Yes.
Okay, guys. So my dad, Commander Om Prakash Bhandari, he retired from Indian Navy many years ago, and he was in Merchant Navy for many years. And today I thought, let me talk to my dad because कभी कभी मैंने खुद इतनी बातें नहीं करी अपने फादर के साथ कि भाई आपका इंडियन नेवी का करियर कैसा रहा, आपका लाइफ की जर्नी कैसे रही। और आप तो अभी ये चैनल के साथ मुझे लगा कि मुझे लोगों को भी ये क्वेश्चन चाहिए, क्योंकि लास्ट टाइम जब घर पे मैंने आपके साथ बात करी ना, उसके बाद इतने कमेंट्स आए, इतने वो आए कि सर हमें सर की लाइफ के बारे में जानना है, वी वांट टू नो मोर, वी वांट टू नो मोर। तो मैंने कुछ एक 4-5 क्वेश्चन ऐसे लिखे हैं जो मुझे लगता है कि बॉयज़ को जानना है, क्योंकि उन्होंने मेरे साथ क्वेश्चंस पूछे हैं ऐसे। तो पॉप, सबसे पहले तो आपका ओवरऑल लाइफ इंडियन नेवी में कैसी रही? आप अपने थोड़ा सा बैकग्राउंड भी शेयर कर लो।
Life in Navy is excellent.
इंडियन नेवी में
Indian Navy. I served as a marine engineer in various ranks, starting from as a cadet to midshipman, sub-lieutenant, lieutenant commander, commander. There are more ranks above me, but I left at commander's rank after just 20 years service, because that is the minimum required to get pension.
अच्छा, हाँ।
Presently I get pension almost as a commander retired, and if you go higher, which you will if you continue in Navy, then you get bigger pension, and life is very good as a officer also, as a sailor also. I became marine engineer at the cost of Navy. Navy made me engineer, starting as a cadet in National Defence Academy.
NDA अपना
National Defence Academy. I got selected Service Selection Board, and then that is no, that is National Defence Academy, Khadakwasla. It is near Pune. And after 3 years there, you come out, you serve as a cadet again on board ship, and after that you become midshipman and start your training as a marine engineer to be engineer. I mean.
ओके ओके। तो आपने मरीन इंजीनियरिंग क्यों ली? व्हाई डिड यू not take, is there a deck side, engine side in
deck
in
side,
Indian Navy?
engine side, yeah,
No, because
because
we don't know, merchant Navy boys don't know anything about this.
In Navy you have electrical side, marine side, deck side, and then in deck side also you have gunnery, your communication. There are so many branches, specialization, navigation. But
मिलते हैं merchant Navy में।
But when you, before you leave National Defence Academy, passing out, they have some secret aptitude test, which they didn't tell me or didn't tell anybody. On that basis they decide you are fit for Navy in which branch.
अच्छा, Navy decides, huh?
Navy decides.
Or
You are
defense decides, yeah, this is after joining Navy.
no, this is after
National Defense Academy मतलब Army, Navy,
Air Force. All three are taking training together. During those 3 years training, they keep on assessing you. What are you fit for? So that Navy can benefit maximum from your caliber. And at the end of when I passed out, and the end of National Defence Academy, they told me you are fit to be a marine engineer. And to be very honest, I right from childhood I was little mechanical side, doing small repairs and this and that.
आपको देख देख के तो मैं भी तो
Yeah, you also picked up a lot of things, looking at me and seeing me and all that.
and also sailing with you.
Yeah. So life is good. I mean, financially also, and in career wise also. I think services are very good today. During service you get even free ration also, besides the fat pay.
याद है मुझे।
Yeah, you get free ration. And in that,
पर आपने फिर नेवी क्यों छोड़ी?
to be very honest, I was more tuned towards merchant navy.
क्यों?
Indian Navy is basically you have to put on uniform whether you like it or not, and when person talking to senior, you have to say him sir. there is a little sort of regimentation, which some people, probably I also one of them, did not appreciate. Everywhere it is only yes sir. I mean, you can't say you are wrong. Yeah, everything is yes sir. And I took part in the war also, and I found.
Which wars you fought?
I fought 1965. We had a small war with Pakistan, and we had a then major fight war with Pakistan in 71. And otherwise, here and there, this survey and checking up the places, Nicobar, Andaman Island, and all around. You keep on doing recce, you keep on challenging the enemy, because enemy can come anywhere, anytime. So as a marine engineer, my job is in the engine room. And there you have to be very professionally sound. So after 20 years, I earned my pension, I went to Merchant Navy. I served there also
so
for...
You did 20 years mainly क्योंकि वो minimum है या आपको pension के लिए आपने किया?
20 years is minimum to earn your pension. You can leave earlier also.
Okay.
Once you give some...
कुछ है that Navy doesn't want you to leave earlier? कुछ ऐसा
Navy has spent huge money on you to make you marine engineer, and then you suddenly say after 2 years, no sir, I want to leave. So then you have to pay the money. You can't leave. You have to serve. And 20 years also, you have to really request them. They don't leave you so easily after 20 years also. And if you continue in Navy, you can go up to Admiral, Vice Admiral, Admiral ranks, They are all big ranks and very fat honor and pay. So otherwise, I find one of the good lives. Better than Merchant Navy life is Indian Navy. But then,
why do you say that better than Merchant Navy life is Indian Navy?
Because living conditions are very different. Indian Navy conditions are very fine, very decent. Mess, you stay at officers' mess. In accommodation they give you. In Merchant Navy, you are basically a mazdoor. To be very honest, you may be chief engineer, but when it comes to the work, you have to get down with the people.
पर Navy में आपको ऐसा situation नहीं आया कि
No,
खराब हो गया
no.
और आपको
No, never. If you can't do repairs yourself, then the dockyard and all that Navy people, they have got repair squads. But in Merchant Navy, a lot of things depend on you. If you can't do it, then you are considered unfit.
तो इंडियन नेवी में 24 घंटे मतलब यूनिफॉर्म ही पहन के रखते थे?
Not 24 घंटे. As a marine engineer, half the time you are in the boiler suit.
हाँ, तो same thing ना?
Same thing. But boiler suit in Indian Navy and putting on a boiler suit in Merchant Navy are two different things. In Merchant Navy, you have to work. Even as a chief engineer, you have to keep the watch also sometimes, 6 hours watch.
Obviously, yeah.
Which is not so in...
Indian Navy life is very easy.
Very easy.
Other than war लगता है.
As you go up in higher ranks, life becomes easier and easier, more sophisticated and very comfortable, and you enjoy it.
I remember as a child कि मतलब we only lived in Nofra.
Yeah.
Lifestyle was very huge flats.
Very big flats.
Sometimes I think we shifted to that 11 rooms house.
Yeah.
उसमें से 4 room तो बंद ही रहते थे हमारे.
Not only big flat with servant quarter attached. Imagine a flat which you live after retirement. You live in the flat. That size of flat is as a servant quarter.
So basically, I also remember कि electricity is free in Indian Navy.
No. Electricity.
नहीं बिल आता था क्या?
Yeah. You save.
नहीं, I was very small तो मुझे तो याद ही
You
नहीं.
have to pay the bill.
I think हम क्या 1981 की बात कर रहे हैं, 81, 82.
But other things like is covered in rent. All other charges, furniture also you have to pay. But everything is very nominal.
Ration was free. I think that I don't know. आजकल राशन मिलता है free या नहीं?
आजकल भी मिलता है. And if you are a bachelor, you used to get free accommodation in the officers' mess. But if you marry, you get a married flat. But then you have to pay very nominal rent. Rent for the house as well as for furniture. And other things are free, but electricity is yours. You have to pay.
तो हाउ वाज योर ट्रांजिशन फ्रॉम इंडियन नेवी टू मर्चेंट नेवी? वेरी फ्रैंकली, मतलब आपको क्या अच्छा लगा कि ये डिसीजन ली?
After I left the Navy, I felt a little dejected that I have given up a very heavenly life and gone to the hell side. But then you get adjusted. If you are fond of doing little work with your hands, then you enjoy it. But if you are a sharp type, then life becomes little difficult in merchant navy.
नहीं, पर लुकिंग बैक एट योर ट्रांजिशन, आपको क्या लगता है अगर आज कोई इंडियन नेवी कमांडर ये वीडियो देख रहा है तो आप क्या बोलोगे कि शुड यू चेंज ओवर और यू हैव मेड अ मिस्टेक? व्हाट डू यू
To
थिंक?
be very honest, yes, pay scales in merchant navy are very high compared to pay scales in the Indian Navy. So if you really fond of doing work and you want a big money, then you should change over from Indian Navy to merchant navy.
I think merchant navy was very high. Now it's not that high because after recession, now merchant navy is suffering.
I agree, but merchant navy is very flexible life. If you want to stay at home for 4 months, 6 months,
of
you can't do in Indian Navy.
But
Yeah.
Indian navy, you hardly went sailing. No?
Yeah, you used to go. And Indian Navy maximum leave you can get is 2 months in a year. But merchant navy is you are the boss. You want to stay at home for 1 year, you can do so.
Pocket allows.
But you can't do in Indian Navy. You have to get back to work. So that is a lot of flexibility in merchant navy life. That way very decent life. As a chief engineer, you can go to visit all over the world, which you can't do in Indian Navy. The number of countries I have seen after joining merchant navy is almost 99% countries.
He, matlab, did you really go out? Did you really see like a tourist sees? Yeah, just namesake.
In merchant ship, once it is in the port, everybody gets a chance to go ashore, whether you are a very small man or whether you are a captain. You got
of course, we are assuming merchant navy senior
the
boys also watching this video.
rules force you to allow them to go out. You can't say this port you just keep working, don't go out. You have to.
What are the 3 tips that you can give for any Indian Navy officer looking to move to merchant navy? What are those 3 top things that you think you should have known that time which nobody told you?
Number one is that life is very, very different. Indian Navy life is very comfortable. Compared to that, life in merchant navy is quite hard.
Including the rough seas and the
Rough seas and and you have to keep away from the family. I have noticed one simple, which is very negative point. Most of the people who keep on sailing in merchant navy, their family life gets little disturbed.
Little, I think quite disturbed.
That I don't feel like talking on this, but it works.
नहीं, this is a forum to speak the truth. हमने देख ली life. तो अभी
मैरिड लाइफ थोड़ा अपसेट हो जाती है. So that is a very
आदमी घर का आदमी घर में नहीं है, वो भी महीनों.
That's right.
आई थिंक ये मैंने अपने किसी और वीडियो में भी बात करी थी कि इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द मैन ऑफ द हाउस टू बी अराउंड.
You see,
You can travel for 10 days, 15 days, but
if you are sailing for 3-4 months, you come back home for 2-3 months is okay. You go for 1 year, then you are out of sight, you are forgotten.
ईयर तो खैर आजकल लॉ भी अलाउ नहीं करता, बट आज की डेट में भी 4 महीने लोग जाते हैं और शायद 2 महीने की छुट्टी पे होते हैं. तो इन अ ईयर एक्चुअली इफ यू सी दे आर ओनली 8 or 9 months they are sailing.
That is why I change over to offshore. In offshore, you have 4 weeks on, 4 weeks off. It's a
Now it's become 2 months on 2 months.
It is a wonderful life, wonderful life. Every 4 weeks you are home and you go only for 4 weeks, so you don't miss anything in life.
तो देख के मैंने ऑफशोर ज्वाइन किया था 2004 में.
that is the best.
Yeah.
All these offshore 2 months on, off is also okay. If it's not 4 weeks, up to 2-3 months also is okay. But in the main fleet, you have to go for a longer period. Sometimes it is minimum 6 months. I mean, It can go up to 1 year.
और क्या लगता है आपको एडवाइस वाइज टू इफ लेट्स थिंक दैट यू आर टॉकिंग टू अ इंडियन नेवी कमांडर राइट नाउ हु इज थिंकिंग टू मूव टू मर्चेंट नेवी व्हाट एल्स
Yeah, if
are you regretting your decision to leave Indian Navy?
No, I am not regretting, because I tell you one thing, in Navy if you continue also, at some stage your promotion, you are not a perfect man in the Navy, that you will become admiral, and everybody cannot become admiral anyway. Admiral is only one against so many ranks, against 400-500 ranks, commander, lieutenant commander, lieutenant, and a captain, commodore, rear admiral, vice admiral. So finally admiral is only one or two. So sooner or later somewhere you stop, no?
And the admiral also, vice admiral, all this introduced because they want to give some rank to people.
Some rank to people, job. And another thing I find in merchant navy, if you got small children, you see small children need not only mother care, they need father care also. And then father goes away for 8 months and 10 months and all that, then those children get neglected.
They get neglected, yeah. And I think a mother can only play mother's role. This I am talking as a little life coaching angle. Ki a mother cannot play the father's role, and she should not even try to, because lot of merchant navy boys families, the mother tries to also behave like the father. Don't do that.
Not only that, if your wife is a working lady, then life becomes very difficult.
And also the child somehow I feel gets detached from the father. Because I also experienced with my daughter.
I didn't want to talk on this point. It is a very fact. Not only wife, sometimes not children. Sometimes wife also get detached.
Anything is possible. This is reality of life. So
you have to be, if you are in merchant navy and you are in a decent rank, second engineer or chief engineer or even third engineer, you better sail with your family. So then you never miss anything.
See, offshore you cannot sail with your family.
Yeah, offshore, I'm not talking offshore. Offshore, any case of 4
But main fleet also, till when can you sail with your family? You know, you cannot take your child after schooling.
As long as you don't have children, so you can keep sailing.
So I sailed with my dad when he was in merchant navy as chief engineer. थापर काली नदी, मुझे शिप का भी नाम याद है. इनफैक्ट वो शिप अभी स्क्रैप हुआ कुछ 4-5 साल पहले. So very hot, AC भी नहीं चलता था वो टाइम पे. I think my father has seen a lot of hardships.
Today's ships are better.
They are better. तो मैं, मेरी मम्मी और हम दोनों भाई, मेरा बड़ा भाई भी सेल कर रहा था, वो अपने आप वो सेकंड ऑफिसर था. So my dad and us we sailed, and the cabin was too hot, and ship was standing in Karwar in Goa. But I was, I think, in 8th standard or 7th standard. But seeing my dad, मैं तो टेक्निकल आदमी था, मुझे लगा कि मैं हूँ, and I started to love merchant navy. So for me it was a very conscious decision. आपको तो पता है.
Yes.
For me it was not a culture shock or a surprise कि मैं कहाँ शिप पे आ गया, क्योंकि मुझे तो पता था मैं कहाँ जा रहा हूँ, and I loved it. And today also I love shipping. तो और क्या टिप है आपकी, जो एक लास्ट टिप फॉर एनी इंडियन नेवी ऑफिसर कॉन्टम्पलेटिंग ऑल्सो कि मैं मर्चेंट नेवी में जाऊं, मैं डिफेंस फोर्सेस छोड़ूं नहीं छोड़ूं, क्योंकि बहुत ऑफिसर्स की ये थिंकिंग और डाउट्स हैं. आई थिंक आपका एक्सपीरियंस बहुत मैटर करेगा इसमें.
I think if you are happy and comfortable, you should continue in Indian Navy.
आज की डेट में पैसा भी इंडियन नेवी का बढ़ ही गया,
बहुत बढ़ गया है कंपेयर टू अर्लियर टाइम. नाउ द पे स्केल्स आर वेरी हाई. They are getting almost at par with the merchant navy people, very much at par. And you get a lot of 2 months official leave, 30 days casual leave, then you have free medical. You see, biggest benefit of serving in Indian Navy or this government service is that till we die, myself, my wife, both will get free treatment for the whole life in a military hospital.
Including your pension will go to your wife in case you are not there. then pension will be, so wife is also matlab not going to be left high and dry.
In Navy, there is no pension.
There is no pension. If you have no money after merchant navy sailing, or you have got medically some problem and you cannot sail, then you are in deep trouble. Lot of
You see, today I am, though I served in merchant navy, my background is in Indian Navy. Anything I had, cataract operations, I had 2-3 other operations, all free from merchant navy. Is not possible. I would have spent more than 10 lakhs. But Indian Navy, everything is free for me. For me, for my wife, till we die.
बच्चों का सिर्फ 18 साल तक कवर करता
Yeah, बच्चों का 18 साल. Another big thing in the Indian Navy is that you become member of very decent clubs, like United Services Club.
US club in Colaba. One of the best clubs in this city and in the country actually.
You see, ordinary man cannot even go to that club.
But we go, it's by the seaside, it's too beautiful. एक दो वीडियो है मेरे पास, दिखाऊंगा मैं.
Benefits of being ex-Navy, which is not possible as a merchant Navy fellow.
What are your 3 tips to Indian Navy officers who have moved to merchant Navy now? Now, if they have just started, 6 महीना 1 साल हुआ, उनको क्या challenges आएंगे merchant Navy में, और क्या वो चीज़ें हैं जो आपने मिस कर दी और आपको लगा यार मुझे पता होता ये सब तो आई वुड हैव बीन लिटिल डिफरेंट इन मर्चेंट नेवी.
You see, in Indian Navy, you give order, it is followed. Like you can do in Indian Navy, you can't do in merchant Navy. You may be chief engineer, you may be captain, but you cannot order like you can do in Navy. And here you have to work yourself also, which you can avoid in Indian Navy if you are a senior officer. In Indian Navy, as a commander, nobody can ask me even to run. If Admiral calls me, I can just go walking. He can't tell me hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. But this is not possible in not possible merchant Navy. You have to be very different man. You have to be docile. You have to be acceptable man. But these sort of things is not possible in Indian Navy.
So, 2 more tips that you think that you wish you knew after you moved to merchant navy की इंडियन नेवी वालों को आज मैं ये बताना चाहूँगा कि क्या है वो ये 2 चीज़ें. और
Navy has got no respect for anybody. You may be captain, you may be chief engineer, you may be ordinary fellow, you know what you call seaman. Nobody has got any respect for anybody else.
रिस्पेक्ट मतलब अपना काम करो, काम तो करना पड़ेगा.
काम करो बस, but you can open your mouth against anybody. In merchant Navy.
Correct.
This you can't do in Indian Navy.
Of course.
You have to be very careful. You can't use any foul language. Indian Navy you can sometimes use it. You can use it against junior fellow. But in Navy you do it.
नहीं, वो मर्चेंट नेवी में हम भी तो सुनाई देते थे, ऐसी बात नहीं है.
Merchant Navy में if you use foul language, other men will give you back.
It becomes a power of the muscle then. Rank wise and all that. मतलब कोई कोर्ट मार्शल नहीं हो जाएगा तुम्हारा.
इंडियन नेवी में कोर्ट मार्शल हो सकता है, इधर नहीं हो सकता. इधर if you are bad or your junior is bad, one of you will be thrown out from the ship.
I think insecurity of the job is there. You can merchant navy, you can lose your job any moment within 24 hours notice.
And then you lose in place A, you go to place B.
हाँ, मतलब मैं इंडियन नेवी और मर्चेंट नेवी के कंपैरिजन में बोल रहा हूँ. इंडियन नेवी जॉब इज वेरी सिक्योर.
वेरी सिक्योर.
मंथली सैलरी आती रहेगी. आज की डेट में कोरोना में भी किसी इंडियन नेवी ऑफिसर को ये तो नहीं बोला होगा कि 20% सैलरी कट.
Not only that, pension is also there.
Pension is also there.
Life is very secure, very secure.
तो पॉप, finally your 3 tips to all the officers, merchant navy, Indian navy, आपका इंडियन नेवी से लेके मर्चेंट नेवी ये पूरे एक्सपीरियंस का कितने 40-50 साल का एक्सपीरियंस है आपका. तो वो क्या 3 टिप आप दोगे लड़कों को, सीनियर्स को कि यार क्या करना चाहिए लाइफ? व्हाट इज योर ओपिनियन?
वेरी सिंपल वे, कीप योर कंट्रोल ऑन योर टंग.
On your tongue.
Whether you are Indian Navy, whether you are merchant Navy, there is no point having a big tongue, you know.
टंग
Because
मतलब आई थिंक ऑलमोस्ट लाइक रिलेशनशिप ही हो गया. Don't
relationship.
spoil your relationship.
Don't
किसी
spoil
के
your
बारे में
relationship.
कुछ भी बोलो.
Who will help whom in time of emergency? You don't know. You see, in merchant navy.
और whose help you will need.
But
that is of course little manipulative. मैंने एक वीडियो में बात करी थी, मैनिपुलेशन नहीं चाहिए, बट जेन्युइनली अगर आदमी ऐसा हो कि मैं किसी के अगेंस्ट जो जैसा है ठीक है, पर मैं अगेंस्ट नहीं बोलूँगा
Be
किसी के.
simple, be decent, and keep your tongue under control. You will not have problem anywhere. Whether you are good in very good in job or not, you are not good. It doesn't make much difference. If you are not good, your second fellow is good, so it compensates. Nobody says anybody कि तुम्हारे को नहीं आता है. But if you got a big tongue, then even if you are very good in your job, you get in trouble.
और क्या लगता है आपको कि एक फाइनल कोई टिप?
If you are not used to taking risk, don't leave Indian Navy. Continue. If you are fond of taking risk, you can always change over to Merchant Navy. Merchant Navy is full of risks.
मुझे याद है हमारा एक कज़न भी है, ही इज़ अ कर्नल, तो उन्होंने आर्मी छोड़ी थी, तो वेदर इट वाज अ गुड डिसीजन और नॉट, आई थिंक इट वाज इट्स चैलेंजिंग. इट्स चैलेंजिंग आर्मी लाइफ. ऑफ कोर्स ट्रांसफर्स, हमने ट्रांसफर्स कितनी देखी. इंडियन नेवी के अपने इश्यूज हैं, बट
Merchant Navy fellow, you can settle at one place. You are with family, but as a you can't. You'll keep on going.
हर 5 साल ट्रांसफर.
See, we in our life we went to Visakhapatnam, Cochin, Bombay, and Delhi. So you get transferred, no? You can't escape. There is no power play here. You have to go.
So guys, that's my dad, and हमने इनसे काफ़ी टिप्स आज सीखी, बट एक कंक्लूजन हर चीज़ का यही है दैट नो मैटर वेयर यू आर, देर इज़ नो गुड, देर इज़ नो बैड. वी कैनॉट से दैट मर्चेंट नेवी इज़ ग्रेट, इंडियन नेवी इज़ नॉट गुड. वी कैनॉट मेक सच स्टेटमेंट्स. एंड ऑफ लाइफ you have to decide in your own life what is suiting you, your aptitude. And Merchant Navy is great, I loved it, but I know so many people who did not love it and they were very unhappy. But somehow sometimes you have to find your happiness no matter where you are. Merchant Navy has its pros, has its cons. Indian Navy has its pros, has its cons.
It's a Merchant Navy is a lonely life basically. You have to
Merchant
get
Navy is
used.
also a lonely life.
You have to get used to it, which is not the case in Indian Navy.
Thank you so much, Pop. I'm sure this will be great.
I don't know how it's going to be useful to others, but
It'll be very useful, very very useful. Boys have really asked for this. So thank you so much, guys. Do comment and let me know how you like this video. And I will also be covering a video on my dad's Indian Navy entire career. हाँ, क्योंकि ये इसमें डालेंगे तो थोड़ा ज़्यादा लंबा हो जाएगा. But we'll cover something like that in the upcoming videos. And do let me know what do you think about this video. And if you want me to make any such similar videos or any questions that you have, I will ask my dad directly and I'll get back to you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you, Bob.
thank you.